so now fetch water, right? So stance is basically the same, right? Your front leaning stance, okay? And again, this hand is going to be here, and this hand is going to travel along the leg the same way, right? The qua is going to angle up. So the qua is going to go in this direction. So as I do fetch water, we're going to do this. Now let's talk about the elbow. The elbow has to move into the line, okay? So the imaginary line is from here to, let's say, here when the elbow's bent. So if I start here, right? And then as I do this, my elbow pushes into the line. It pushes into the line. So this action has to become normal on all your moves. Elbow into the line, okay? So from here, again, it's the same idea. This is here, and as I do this, right, I come here. And as I come here, right, this is fetch water. This is pushing up, so it comes here. So if you come here, Pat, and just put your finger right here, right? So you see when I'm here.
Yes.
You feel the direction it's going. It's going this way, right?
Yes.
So this is 6 ceiling 4 closing. You see it goes this way,
Yeah.
right? But now I'm going this way. You see it pushes up. So again, my knee's not doing this. My knee's fixed. This is here, and this travels along the leg, and the elbow pushes into the hand, and you see the space increases between the hand, so that when I eventually have them in here, right, and I do this, right, the power is tremendous. So again, this is fixed. This is here. So I come here and down. So the elbow goes into the line. Okay, now we can again to push that quad.
So you said
You
the
can
quad's
exaggerate.
going
The quad's
upward,
going slightly up.
Slightly up, okay.